Have you ever been rejected? Not once, not two times, many, many times.
What if I told you one man was rejected from 30 jobs? Even a job at KFC said no to him.
But today, he is one of the most famous businessmen in the world.
How is that possible? Stay with us. Today's story might surprise you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fearless English Podcast.
My name is Leo.
And I'm Mia. If this is your first time here, welcome. We tell simple, true stories to help you understand real English.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. It really helps us make more free lessons for you.
Today's story is about a poor boy from China. His name is Jack Ma.
He failed his exams. He got rejected from many jobs, but he never gave up.
But what if I told you this same boy became incredibly successful? Let's begin. Before the story, let's learn some important words. You will hear them again in the story.
Word number 1, reject. To reject means to say no to someone. For example, the company rejected his application.
Word number 2, fail. To fail means to not succeed. He failed the test 3 times.
Word number 3, give up. To give up means to stop trying. He never gave up.
Word number 4, tourist. A tourist is a person who travels to visit a place. He talked to tourists every morning.
Word number 5, confident. Confident means you believe in yourself. She felt confident before the interview.
Word number 6, opportunity. An opportunity is a chance to do something good. This job is a great opportunity.
Word number 7, struggle. To struggle means to have a hard time doing something. He struggled to find a job.
Word number 8, dream. A dream is something you really want to do in the future. His dream was to start his own company.
Word number 9, believe. To believe means to think something is true. Nobody believed in his idea.
And word number 10, succeed. To succeed means to do something well and get a good result. In the end, he succeeded.
Great. Keep these words in your mind. Now, let's start the story.
Our story starts in a small city in China called Hangzhou.
A boy was born there. His family was not rich. His father worked hard, but they didn't have much money.
But this boy had something special. He loved to talk to people.
When he was 12 years old, many foreign tourists started coming to his city.
Every morning, he woke up early. He rode his bicycle to a big hotel near a lake.
He waited for tourists there, and when he saw one, he smiled and said, "Hello, can I practice English with you?"
Some tourists said yes, some said no, but he didn't give up.
For 9 years, he did this every single morning. Rain or sunshine, he was there.
He talked, he listened, and slowly his English became better and better.
But here's a question for you. Do you think his English was perfect? What do you think happened next?
No. His grammar had many mistakes, but something important happened.
He became confident. He was not afraid to speak, even with mistakes.
And that confidence changed his whole life. Now let's talk about school. Do you think this boy was a good student? Actually, no. He failed his math exams many times.
He tried the university entrance exam. He failed. He tried again. He failed again.
He tried a third time, and finally, with a very low score, he got into a small college.
But that's not the end of his failures. After college, he needed a job.
He sent 30 job applications. Guess how many said yes? 0. Not one company wanted him.
He even tried to get a job at a new KFC restaurant in his city.
24 people applied. 23 people got the job.
Only one person was rejected.
Can you guess who? Yes, it was him.
Imagine that feeling. Everyone around you gets a chance, but you don't.
How would you feel if this happened to you? Would you give up or would you keep trying? After many rejections, he finally became an English teacher at a local college.
He loved teaching. His students loved him too. He was funny, kind, and full of energy.
But one day, everything changed. He traveled to the United States for business.
There, someone showed him something new, the internet.
He typed the word beer into a search engine. He found information about beer from many countries.
But he typed the word China and he found almost nothing.
At that moment, a big idea appeared in his mind.
What if I could bring Chinese businesses onto the internet? What if the whole world could see them?
He went back home with this dream in his heart.
But his friends said, this internet thing is strange. Are you sure?
What do you think happened next? Did he listen to his friends or did he follow his dream? He decided to follow his dream. He invited 18 friends to his small apartment. He explained his idea for hours.
At the end, he asked, who wants to join me?
Most people were confused. The internet was very new. Nobody understood it well.
But something amazing happened. All 18 people said yes.
Together, they collected a small amount of money, not millions, just enough to start.
They named the new company Alibaba, after the story of Alibaba and the 40 Thieves.
Why this name? Because it's easy to say in almost every language in the world.
They worked in that small apartment. They worked day and night. Sometimes they slept on the floor.
In the beginning, they had almost no customers. Investors said no to them too.
One investor after another rejected his idea.
Do you remember our vocabulary word, reject? It happened again and again.
But he told his team something important.
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is more difficult. But the day after tomorrow will be beautiful.
He believed that most people give up too early, the night before success arrives.
Let's check your listening. Question 1. What job did he apply for but got rejected? The answer is KFC.
Question 2. How many friends came to his apartment to hear his idea? The answer is 18 friends.
Great job if you remembered. Let's continue the story. A few years later, Alibaba grew a little, but then a huge problem came.
Many internet companies around the world started losing money. People called it the internet crash.
Alibaba's money was almost finished. Some workers were scared. Some left the company.
But he stood in front of his team and said something simple. We are still alive. As long as we are alive, we have a chance.
They cut costs. They worked even harder. They didn't give up.
Slowly, small businesses in China started using their website to sell products.
Then something bigger happened. A famous foreign investor believed in his idea and gave the company a large amount of money.
With this help, Alibaba grew bigger and bigger. More sellers joined, more buyers joined.
Years later, Alibaba became one of the biggest online shopping companies in the world.
The boy who was rejected from KFC became one of the richest men in China.
Can you believe that? From 30 rejections to one of the biggest success stories in the world. Here's something interesting. Many years later, in his home city, a KFC restaurant was still open.
People say he sometimes told this story with a smile. The restaurant that once said no to him became successful too.
He didn't feel angry about the past. Instead, he felt thankful.
He said that every rejection taught him something. Every failure made him stronger.
And here's a fun fact. Even after huge success, he still remembered his English teaching days with love.
He often visited schools and talked to students about English, dreams, and confidence.
The boy who once waited by a hotel hoping to speak with tourists became someone millions of people wanted to listen to. Let's review our words with new examples.
Reject. Example, the bank rejected his loan application.
Fail. Example, I failed my driving test, but I tried again.
Give up. Example, don't give up on your English studies.
Tourist. Example, many tourists visit Paris every summer.
Confident. Example, after practicing, she felt more confident speaking English.
Opportunity. Example, learning English gave him a new opportunity.
Struggle. Example, many learners struggle with English grammar.
Dream. My dream is to speak English fluently.
Believe. Example, believe in yourself, even when others don't.
And succeed. Example, if you practice every day, you will succeed. Now it's your turn to speak. Repeat after Leo.
I will never give up.
Your turn. Say it out loud.
Today is difficult, but tomorrow will be better.
Repeat it with Leo.
I believe in myself.
One more time with feeling.
Every failure makes me stronger.
Perfect. Speaking out loud, even alone, builds real confidence. So, Leo, what do you think is the lesson from this story?
For me, it's simple. Rejection is not the end. It's just one step on the way.
I agree. He was rejected so many times, but each no pushed him closer to his dream.
And I love that he didn't need perfect English to start. He just needed confidence to speak.
That's true for our listeners, too. You don't need perfect grammar today. You just need to keep speaking.
Mistakes are okay. Rejection is okay. The important thing is, don't stop.
Slow progress is still progress. Now, we want to hear from you.
Have you ever been rejected from a job, a school, or an opportunity?
How did you feel? And what did you do after that?
Write your answer in the comments below. We really want to read your stories.
And here's another question. Do you think speaking with mistakes is better than staying silent?
Let us know what you think.
That's the end of today's story. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
If you want to improve faster, listen to this episode again.
Try to repeat the sentences, shadow our voices, copy our pronunciation.
The more you listen, the more natural your English will become.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fearless English Podcast, and turn on the notification bell.
So you never miss a new story.
And remember,
English isn't about being perfect.
it's about being fearless.
See you in the next episode. Be confident.